Thought about you way too much. Overthinking us. Cause you've been so out of touch. You could've had my love, but you've been so out of touch. Monday, I was dreaming about you. Tuesday, I was waiting near the phone. 2 days, wasn't hearing from you. Yeah, what can I say? Oh, baby.